Then the who's young and old will sit down to a feast. And they'll feast, and they'll feast, and they'll feast, 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 feast. They'll feast on who pudding and rare who roast beast. Raw roast beast is a feast I can't stand in the least.
Did you know that the original Cindy Lou Who was voiced by June Foray? She went on to do the voices for such characters as Granny from the Looney Tunes, Jokey Smurf, Natasha from the Rocky and Bullwinkle Show, and Grandmother Fa from Mulan.
We all love this scene in The Grinch where we all see all the tiny Who chefs bringing Cindy Lou her very special strawberry. Food plays such a role in family gatherings and traditions. If you haven't seen our very special scrapbooking recipe book, this is definitely this season's must-have product. This package comes complete with an 8x8 Doodlebug Storybook Album, including the 5x5 cover window design and 7 scrapbooked category divider pages. Each divider design will be packaged individually with a color printout of the finished design and very detailed instructions to put the kit together. This will make the absolute perfect gift for everyone on your Christmas list. And don't forget to purchase one for yourself.
And for January 2021, we are also introducing our brand new Recipe of the Month Club. You will automatically receive 2 8x8 recipe page kits per month, complete with the recipe. Choose from a 3-month, 6-month, or 12-month subscription. And just added, you can now pay for the monthly subscription month to month. That's right! You can register and automatically be billed and receive your monthly recipe kits until you opt out. Note that the month-to-month option is a separate product on our website. The Recipe Monthly Club is $19.99 per month, shipping included. Register now with your first monthly shipment arriving January 20th, 2021, and each 20th on the month thereafter. Hint, this would make an amazing present for that hard-to-buy-for person.
Let's see what our friend the Grinch is busy eating right now.
Fee, fi, fo, fum. Eating the Who House is so fun. Who among you has made a Grinchmas recipe of green? I'd love to see your creation, if you know what I mean. Show me your photo, or better yet, your scrapbook page of your family at dinner, all in a rage. Oh, all right. Have it your way. Show me your photos and pages of your sweet family dinners, all loving they say.
We'd love to see your scrapbook pages of family dinners or perhaps photos of your favorite food creation.
Anyone make recipes from our Grinchmas booklet? Post any food pages or photos here in this video to be considered for this contest.